If you need help with your Monday.com account, contacting support is quick and easy. Let me show you how. Start by logging into your Monday.com dashboard. Once everything loads, look at the top right corner. You'll see the help icon, usually a question mark or a life ring. Click it and a menu will drop down with different support options. For fast assistance, choose Chat with us. This opens a live chat window where you can type your message directly to a support agent. Be clear and specific. Whether it's a billing question, a feature issue, or a technical error, adding details or error messages will help them resolve your issue faster. And that's it. You've successfully connected with Monday.com support in just a few steps. Their team is there to make sure your projects run smoothly, so never hesitate to reach out. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials.